Hello guys. Now we are in Kawasan Falls, Cebu with my family. Now, nakita nyo, poging-pogi at your service. Oh, kahit nakanguso, pogi. Oh, eto si Calix, takot si Calix mag-swim. Oh, peace be with you, Tita Cindy. Oh, ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng falls. Oh, si Calix, sabi niya, it's so much fun here.
What?
Oh, nag-enjoy yung bata. Oh, may whale shark kumakaway. Oh. Eto, nag-enjoy. Ito ang serena ng buhay ko. Oh, kinikilig. Oh, panguso-nguso. Panguso-nguso lang muna. Hirap. Oh, ups. Dalawang pulube ng tampisaw. That's our end of our video, guys. Peace.